Some today like ngifuna ukukhuluma about lento enzeke uSisimake yebo le nto leyo because into ebuhlungu kakhulu leyana bafethu yabo umuntu asebenza nzima kangaka on to find out ukuthi uzovela lose ipitch lakhe ngendlela eluluze ngayo. And bafethu mengicane nibheke bafethu niqaphele there are people who are hacking ama-page wabantu, especially on Facebook. They're gonna send you a link or they're gonna send you an email and act as if like you're so verified. Don't fall for that, you understand? Because much Facebook, like the only way would be verified is to pay. You understand the subscription yako. There is no way you would see Facebook ngavele send an email it is verify. Into many ibheke leyo bafethu. Or sometimes back tag. You understand? But you recommended what your page has been like approved to be verified. Don't fall for that. You understand? Don't fall for that. Don't click that link or by inbox. Don't click that link because that's the only way abathatha ngali page lakho. Okunye make sure ukuthi ama devices owasebenzisayo usebenzisa ama devices angabypasswanga or angenzwanga nje into better because when it's come to that this easy labantu labo ukuthi mabahika amafoni abypassiwe. You understand? And then okunye okubalekile futhi guys kakhulu make sure ukuthi ama page wakho anelento but in a second authentic if I'm not mistaken second authentic verification. Yes, make sure ukuthi analo nto leyo is either maybe wa verify like nge number yakho or wa verify nge email yakho or wa verify nge authentic app yakhona is very legit now. You understand? And make sure ukuthi phone yakho ayiphathwa noba ubani because abanye abantu around wena doesn't like mean ukuthi bayakuthanda, abanye babo bayayifisa life eyiphila, especially my content creator, my influencer or more busy nje ku social because ama page wakho a sort of is your source of income and ama page wakho iwona abaleke ukudlula okuningi. You understand? So ndishaya le video le bafethu because like I'm trying ukuthi ngisize lapho kumele ngisize khona kulabo abanama page abo and nakulabo abazibuza ukuthi uzuhackwa kanjani. Hacking guys is not easy as that, but hacking is a more busy entertainer labantu abakusendela zona ama link and all those things. Avoid those things because trust me, if Facebook or any social social media angeke like ithi kuwe nibazokusiza about ukuthi verify for free. No, you must pay to be verified. You understand? For bana ticket blue but ezinye ke ziyakwenzela automatically just uzibona sona la ticket yakho ne blue. So stay safe bafethu because isikhathi samanje yakulunganga bafikile amazomba.